Odell here. What we're going to do today is we're going to have a little fun with different tying techniques. I've got the pliers, which is old school style, and then he's got something a little newer, been out, I don't know, 20 years or maybe 25. He's got the twisty ties. What we're going to do is set the stopwatch at 3 minutes. We're going to start tying. Then we're going to end up counting how many ties each system got, and then we'll know which is faster. There is another technique with this type of wire where there's a spool here, but I don't have that on me today. So I'm just going to use some lengths and this, and he's got these.
Ton of these.
Of course, there is automatic rebar tires also, but we're not going to use that. We're just using these two systems. So let's start the clock and see who gets the most ties in.
All right, go.
Here we go.
Oh no. I have too many in my hand. Oh.
Out of wire. Going for a reload. Got the reload.
I can't believe how fast he's moving on that. I did not think he can move that quick.
What's the clock at?
1:45. Well, 1 minute left. 1 minute left.
1 minute.
Hey, they better not be like half-ass ties.
We're gonna check them. We'll check them at the end.
Oh, I keep missing the holes.
Out of wire. I'm running out of wire so fast. What's going on?
I'm running out of wire too. You got a whole bunch right here. No,
Coming in. Oh, OSS, baby.
20 seconds left.
OSS. We're going OSS on this.
Ten seconds.
OSS.
3, 2, 1. That's it. Hey, how does it count?
Let's tally them up. Let's start right here. We'll count Timmy's first.
Let's see. I think Dad took this one. I know, dude. He went
2,
so fast.
3,
I didn't even think he could go that fast.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25 for Timmy.
Super cool.
Now let's count the old system. Let's start right here again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 29 ties.
Dude,
for OSS.
Just four more.
That was close. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you like these kind of videos, subscribe. And if you want to get the latest and greatest as I roll them out, hit the bell and then you'll be notified. So what do you think about that competition, Timmy? Did you expect OSS to take the win?
No, I didn't at all. I thought the tire wires were faster, but I mean, I guess if you've had 30 years of experience tying rebar, you could definitely beat me. But I don't know. Let me know if you guys think you could have won. And what do you think?
I think I'll get the wheel next time, and I should be able to go, thinking maybe 2-1. If I can, you know, maybe run it out 10 minutes, I think I'll probably be right at 2-1 maybe. That's what I'm going to go for, 2-1 on the next one. All right, thanks. See you later.
Yes.